BioBean is an eco-friendly food provider, which is Bioteaser. Our product first time in Pakistan for a commercial sector to reduce global warming emissions and save for billions of dollars by less reliance on imported fossil fuel and generate huge employment to boost our economy. According to the World Air Quality Report, Pakistan is the second most polluted country in the world. Vehicles that operate in fossil fuel are the major source of air pollution. The burning of fossil fuel emit greenhouse gases emission and raise the earth average temperature. The cooking oil we are using on our daily basis for food preparation is also threat to the environment and causing produce harmful gases, contaminated soils, and polluted water supply. So BioBean is to collect waste cooking oil from restaurant, hotels, and household through our mobile application, which we have already launched beta version and they convert into a biodiesel. Biodiesel is a versatile biofuel that is renewable, biodegradable, and environmental friendly, and its combustion adds only biogenic carbon into the atmosphere. And biodiesel can be used to power any diesel engine without any modification. So the total consumption of diesel in Pakistan is around 7.3 million ton per annum. The local production can meet 65% of the total demand, while the rest is being imported. So currently, Pakistan has a capacity to produce 2,956 metric ton of biodiesel annually from waste cooking oil, and our company will require to capture 35% of the diesel market, which is now being imported by the foreign countries and save for billions of dollars. And we offer a cheaper price, 200 rupees per liter, to compete against our current competitors. And we have a 25% profit margin, and we expect a 15% growth on an annual basis. So if you want to create a positive impact in our society, so please support us. Thank you.